Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make Salesforce accounts public. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need to access to our sites in our setup page. So basically we go to the setup menu, we access our setup page, and then we need to search for sites. And from here, it's just type sites, and basically we need to click on here, and then you will need just to go to any sites that you have. So for example, I have this one. I need just to go and activate it, and I'm just going to this site, for example, and after clicking on the site label, we need just to go and go to the public access settings. Basically, let's just wait for the page to load, and from here we will find the public access settings. So as you can see, those are the visual force pages that are included here. You can add new ones and edit them, but what we are interested in is the public access settings. So from here, you will need to start uh, controlling the public access settings, and from here you will need just to make everything public, and means to edit the permissions for of these profile to allow all the other accounts, or to allow everything to be public, which means to allow or to give access to all the objects and everything for these profile. So as you can see, for the standard objects permission, you will need just to allow read and create and edit, so you can allow all the other permissions. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.